So now let's see how we can work around with the Photorama effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a footage, and in order to add in the Photorama effect, you need to go around under the effect tab right here, and then you need to go around and scroll down right here just like this onto the stylized section, and then you can go around and utilize the Photorama effect right here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here onto this particular clip, then you can see the Photorama effect right here. So what you can do is you can go around and change around the style of Photorama. So you can go around and choose, let's say, S2 right here, or style 3 right here, or style 4 right here, and choose the different type of Photorama effect. You can go around and change around the seed of the Photorama, as you can see, and then choose the auto adjust as contrast, color, and levels right here. So as with different pictures, you can go around and get the Photorama effect right here just like this. You can go for, let's say for example, style 2 and change around the seed right here, as you can see, and as the video actually goes forward right here, you can see that this is how it actually works around. You can work around with the color as well. You can go around with, like, let's say for example, white edges right here, and change around the seed over here as well to change around the effect, and so forth right here just like this. So this is how you can go around and utilize the Photorama effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe